Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Alice Colors. In this video I'm going to show you how I drew Monika's hair with colored pencils. I used prismacolor colored pencils, and to blend and give it a smooth finish I went over everything with the prismacolor colorless blender. All the colors are listed in the description box below. Now for the hair, I started with a light hand and added one layer of the color pale vermilion. Here I use dark umber to show the shape and the direction of the hair. I used white for the lightest areas, and I added some pressure on the pencil to make it show. Then I went over everything with Sienna Brown. I started to add more pressure with the pencil and used Tuscan Red for the darkest areas. Adding more pressure on the pencil, I went over the whole area with pale vermilion, the first color I used. Back with the Tuscan Red, I made the edges darker. Finally, I blended everything with the Prismacolor colorless blender. Then I decided to outline the strands of hair with the black pencil. Coming to the end of this video, I thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. And you know how it goes, leave a like, subscribe, comment if you want. Bye!